Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Wahyu Kurnia. As a customer,
I'm ilal syahputra as a technician smartphone.
excuse me sir, it is true that this service center to repair a smartphone?
Yes, that's right. What's wrong, sir?
My phone has some problem.
What's the problem with your smartphone?
Suddenly my smartphone can turn on.
Why before?
Previously my brother used the smartphone to play games.
How long has the smartphone been used?
He used to play game all day.
Does your younger brother play games while charging?
Yes, even though I warned him not to play games while charging.
And after your smartphone doesn't turn on, have you tried to turn it back on?
Yes, I tried, but it still won't turn on.
Okay. Do you check the smartphone which you know?
Yes, of course.
May I check it?
Yes, this is the smartphone.
Okay, wait. I think I know the problem.
What that?
It looks like your smartphone has a problem with some smartphone component.
Is the problem because the phone is used to play games continually?
Yes, because when you're playing games, your device should stop its activities for a while for the battery charging process.
How long does the repair process take?
Maybe about 3 hours.
I have other needs. Can I go first?
Okay.
3 hours later.
Can my smartphone turn on?
Yes, it can be. Please check it first.
Okay, wait. Okay, how much does it?
100,000 rupiah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for your attention and time. Sorry if there are mistakes in pronunciation. I am ilal syahputra and
Wahyu Kurnia. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.